Hey guys, Eric here, and I have a new item for you today. This video is brought to you by TickTime, and we're gonna take a look at their product right now and check out everything that it does. Again, this video is brought to you by TickTime, and I wanna thank them for sending me this product to review. Let's take a look. All right, so TickTime sent me this product. It's supposed to be a timer. I haven't opened it yet, so let's go ahead and open this and take a look and see what we got. On the side, we got the numbers 3, 30, 20, and 10. I'm guessing those are timer times, but anyway, let's get this open. Got some instruction information here, tiny little instruction booklet. And the timer itself, which is actually really small. There we go. And what looks like, the USB-C charging cable, that's nice. And the actual timer itself. So let's take a look here. Well, it looks really cool. So this is the TickTime timer. Let's go ahead and power this on. And we have a nice little LCD screen that's right there. And let's start a timer. And I think you do that just by setting it down. And as you can see, the 15 is started to blink. And right there, we have a 15-minute timer that's been set. And that is so cool. You can just set it down on whatever number that you want, and it will start a timer for that time. And I believe I can press this button on the back to refresh it. I can lift it up and it pauses, and yeah, I lift it up and it pauses, but I don't know how to restart it. All right, so I need a quick 3-minute timer. Just put it down, three lights up, and then it starts the 3-minute timer. If I want to pick it up, it pauses, and then I can set it down. Oh, I need a 30-minute timer, bam. Set it down, 30-minute timer. This is really fast and really useful. Let's put it on the 3-minute timer right there, and then we will talk about it and see what it sounds like when it goes off. All right, so a couple features of this product while it's running there. It's very easy to set timers for 3-minute, 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute, 25-minute, and 30 minutes. You can also do custom timers after that using the buttons next to the LCD screen right there. At a full charge, it's got a really long standby time. I think something like 4 to 6 months or something like that for a standby time with a full charge, which is amazing. That's a super long standby time. So what are good use cases for this? There are a couple good ones. I mean, this could be used for productivity. Maybe you subscribe to the idea that you're going to work hard on something for 30-minute intervals, and you're going to do 30 minutes and then take 5-minute break, or a 30-minute and a 10-minute break, or whatever. This would be very easy to set a timer that way, even easier than on your phone, which generally takes a few taps or anything like that. But with this TickTime, you can just have a little teeny timer right there, and it's not going to make you pick up your phone. Generally, I don't know about you guys, but when I pick up my phone, I normally get distracted by other things. This would enable me to set a timer without doing that, and I could just have it on my desk there, and then when it goes off, I know that it's time for me to take a break. So it does include a volume control as well, and as I showed you earlier, it has a USB-C charging cable, which is really nice. We're about 25 seconds away from the alarm going off. We're going to see what it sounds like when it actually goes off, and make sure that it can alert us. This retails for $37.99 on Amazon, and there will be a link in the description below. All right, 10 seconds away. Oh, the number starts to flash when it gets to 10 seconds. That's awesome, letting you know that the alarm is about to go off, and we'll see what it sounds like. Wow, that's pretty loud. Okay, and then you can pick it up and you can reset the timer by pressing on the back or just lifting it up, and it will pause the notification. And if you want to reset that timer, just set it back down on whatever time you want. And again, it just started the 3-minute timer. If I don't want a 3-minute timer, I can pick it up and I can go 30 minutes if I want. And then it puts a 30-minute timer right there. I don't want that, I want 25 minutes. I can set it for 25 minutes. This is a really cool device. I actually like this. I think I'm going to use this actually. This is really nice. All right. Amazon link in the description below, $37.99. TickTime timer. I want to thank TickTime for sponsoring this video and sending me their TickTime timer. I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. I really appreciate it, and I think it's a really good product. I mean, it's a timer. It's a simple timer that's got an easy to read LCD screen and a long standby time on a recharge. I mean, if you're looking for a timer that's quick to set, you can't really beat this. I mean, for cooking, for work stuff, for anything. We're trying to potty train my son right now. We can use this to indicate when he needs a potty break, and I think that's going to be one of our use cases for the TickTime timer. So again, thank you to TickTime for sending me this product. Please like and subscribe. Link in the description below, $37.99 Amazon, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for joining me for another problem solved.